MarketView, Serendipity 2's data visualization, analysis and reporting tool, brings data to life, allowing you to see the bigger picture, create actionable insights, and make more informed decisions that allow your business or brand to thrive. Let's take a closer look at some of the incredible capabilities of MarketView. MarketView is Google-enabled, allowing you to look at any location. You can zoom in to any specific site at the most granular level, allowing you to conduct analysis on a national, regional, or a highly localized scale. You can even use Google Street View within MarketView to look in detail at an individual store, restaurant, or pub and what surrounds it. It really is like Google on steroids. The data layer library on the left-hand side contains a huge amount of location data that comes as standard in MarketView and is kept up to date regularly. This includes footfall and population data as follows: the national networks of retailers, including supermarkets, coffee shops, DIY stores, restaurants, fast food outlets, and more. Transport data, including the location of bus stops, train and underground station footfall, entry and exit figures, road flows, and transport accessibility scores. Points of interest ranging from parks to cinemas and sports centres to hotels. Schools and colleges and numbers of students. Census data, including age, ethnicity, occupation, and social economic group. Postal geographies, from postcode areas right down to postcode units. Retail centre boundaries, from large retail parks to local centres. MarketView also includes groundbreaking new mobile phone-based footfall data. Based on the usage of 200 apps by 20 million people, the dataset is updated with the latest footfall figures every month. This is the holy grail for execution and proximity marketing, allowing you to count pedestrian traffic for each month, or by day of the week, from a national level right down to a granular 25 square metre level. MarketView can also analyse where the visitors to an area have come from, providing a highly accurate view of the catchment area of a location. As part of Serendipity 2's partnership with Experian, MarketView can also contain Mosaic consumer classification data for the whole of the UK, showing residential and daytime population of Mosaic's 15 groups and 66 types at household level. By creating a Mosaic data layer in MarketView for the whole of the UK down to a granular level, MarketView shows high concentrations of each group and type, allowing you to target the areas of the UK that contain the highest target audience populations for your brands. For more information about Mosaic, please ask one of the S2 team. You can also load any of your own data, such as EPOS sales or volume information, into MarketView. This data can be at a national, regional, local, or even individual store level. Let's show you an example of this. We've created a fictional chocolate brand and have loaded in outlet locations. Now, if you're a brand owner, this could be the outlets that sell your brands. If you're a franchisee, this could be your estate. Sales data at individual SKU level, target consumer or shopper audience populations for your brand or retail proposition, or pen personas as we call them. By the way, we can help here if you don't have up-to-date pen personas, wholesalers, stockists and distributors, and sales territories. Now, let's show you how you can combine your data and the data that MarketView contains with the powerful analysis capabilities of the tool to create actionable insights for your business. First of all, MarketView can hold all of the data for your pen personas and can compare them to the total UK population. So let's imagine that you are the brand owner of the fictional chocolate brand that we mentioned earlier. MarketView can show you where the highest density of your target customers are via a heat map. And by clicking on a location, you can get a breakdown of those customers by the pen personas which we've developed. For our fictional chocolate brand, we've developed 3 pen personas representing different types of customers, called Chocotastics, Gift Givers, and On the Go. So, for example, in postal sector A, gift givers are the dominant persona. However, in postal sector B, Chocotastics are much more prevalent. Having a view of the total brand opportunity split by persona is crucial in how you communicate with target customers and shoppers for your media planning, on and offline advertising, product ranging, merchandising, displays, even your point of sale material. We can then use MarketView to generate catchment areas around stores or outlets to analyse the factors that may be influencing sales. In this example, using our fictional chocolate brand again, the brand would like to boost sales through supermarkets, specifically Sainsbury's. Now, this could be a beer brand sold in pubs or a shampoo range sold in chemists. Anything really. We are comparing two Sainsbury's supermarkets in the Manchester area, one in Sale and the other in Denton. Catchment areas can be created at the click of a button and can be defined by either travel time or travel distance. In this example, we have chosen a 2.5 mile distance-based catchment area. Once we've created catchment areas, we can use the data layers that we touched on earlier to run insight reports to gain a better understanding of the differences between the two stores. You can compare the catchment areas by pen persona populations, number of competitor stores, employment status, business counts, etc. And there's no limit to the number of reports you can run. MarketView offers an instant comparison of the two catchment areas to the national average, with reports showing the data percentages in red and green. This clearly shows where there might be significant factors affecting either under or over performance. We can then expand this methodology nationally, allowing us to produce a ranking report that ranks the whole national Sainsbury's estate by the number of target consumers and shoppers living in the catchment area of each store. Being able to quickly and easily rank stores or outlets by opportunity is a key benefit of MarketView. As well as being able to look inwards at store locations, MarketView can also be used to look outwards to assess whether or not a store or town is right for you. Let's take the example of a retail franchisor looking for new sites across the UK for their coffee shop. At the click of a button, MarketView can run analysis of a town centre. In this example, we have used Woking. By creating a 15-minute drive time catchment around the town centre, MarketView can create a report that measures key metrics to assess the feasibility of opening a new franchised outlet. Where your customers are and the distribution points where they buy helps you to visualize your future sales opportunity and evaluate risks. So, if you're a brand selling confectionery into a supermarket, soft drinks into leisure venues, or beer into pubs, or whether you're a budding franchisor or retailer looking to expand nationally or regionally, MarketView marries your target audience customer profile with the right potential outlets in the right consumer, workplace, and retail locations. And MarketView helps you to size the opportunity by population numbers so that you can measure the level of busyness in an area or nationally. Brands and retailers are increasingly aware that a better understanding of consumers is not just about where people live. It's also about where they work, how they travel, where they socialise, their affluence, lifestyles, spending habits, and environments in which they choose to shop. Location is a key driver of this process. MarketView brings data to life.